possible is to achieve what we can do rather than what we cannot do. Our clients realize the importance of acquiring a bespoke cloud architecture and design in order to adapt and thrive in today's ways of working. We at VDC Cloud open up your company's mind to hybrid cloud solutions you never thought of by strategically identifying the options that are available and turning those into one's advantage, because we recognize and believe that a cloud architecture done the right way will elude challenges, offset limitations, and improve operational visibility, resulting in the reduction of costs and manual processes. Start achieving what you can do and contact us to improve or begin your cloud transformation journey, resulting in your art of the possible.